Okay, so now when you add a subscriber in Max Pro, so it is visible in when you add a subscriber in Max Pro, it is visible in the dashboard. So the manager immediately knows the arrival of new subscribers, new contacts, and new advertisers. So let me just show you what I mean. So it has got dashboards through which you know the current status of the business, like which means what is happening, who are the new advertisers, who are the new subscribers, the account status. So everything of this is visible from the dashboard. So let me show you an example of how the dashboard looks like. You see here, this is what is called the dashboard. These are the top new subscribers for the magazine, while below here is the history data, like how many new subscribers has been added today. So all those details are stored here, while how many new potential subscribers are present, that's visible here. The total number of subscribers present is visible here. So this part of the screen is called the dashboard. Next we will see how to set up a magazine. So this part, if you are setting up a magazine, a default magazine, I will help you in the start. What happens is you go into magazine, add the magazine details like this, and then you go into issues, add the various issues, and then you configure the issues, which means you decide at what issue should be the starting date by just going here and deciding whichever is the issue. Click like that, click on both of it and decide the starting issue. Next is, after you do that, you go into magazine preferences, and in magazine preferences you decide what is the default value for each of the important fields, like what is the default currency, what is the default renewal date, notice period, what is the default country, etc. And I just click on apply changes. After that's done, you decide the various offers by going to subscription offers, and you add the various offers. Now when you do that, all these changes are added into the finder section. So you can see those new magazines which you created, those new offers you created in this module here. These offers were created, that's visible out here. Similarly, all the magazines added are visible out here. So now you understood how to set up the magazine. After the magazine is set, you are going to click on the create button. Now you see here, this is the screen where you add subscriber details. So you add the name of the person, okay, add the detail address of the person, the state, from where is he coming from. For example, I'll say he's coming from Kent. I'll add it as Kent. Add his cell phone number. Decide which offer he is going for. Say a 1-year offer. I click on completed since he has made the full payment, and click on create. Once when I do this, an accounting entry is passed for this particular transaction. It's visible here. Go into accounts and you see an accounting entry has been passed for this particular record. That is subscriber sales 7 for Johnny Kim is $1,200 and cash in hand is 1,200. And actually if you go into daily accounts, that accounting entry has been impacted, which means cash in hand is 1,200 and total sales is 2,400. So that has been added out here. That is for this day's sale. Additionally, the record is visible in the finder. So if you click on the finder and write the person's name, say John, I typed is Johnny Paul or something, that's the name of the person. So when I type even J, it will immediately show me the record. So I think yeah, Joy Kim, that was the person's name. So you see it visible here in the finder. Next is, so the advantage of storing the record in MAGMAX Pro is it's easy to find the record. Additionally, when you run the daily status process, there's a daily status process here. Go into setup, click on daily status process, and when you run process status, then what happens is the status of the subscriber, you see here, is changed depending on situation. So for example, this guy has to be warned that his subscription is about to expire. You see 30 April 2012, current date is March, so it's 3 months before it warns me whether this guy's subscription is about to expire. So I can just contact this particular subscriber and renew that subscription. Next, the other impact is also on these calendars. So let me show you. If I click on subscriber sales calendar, you see the guy which we added, that is Johnny Kim, is visible here. It's on 15th March 2012. So if I click on this, it shows me the record. You're getting the idea behind it. And next is, it also, if I go into the reports, yeah, and click on maps, that particular record which we added, right now I added one record for Essex. You see here it shows me 2 subscribers are present in Essex area. You see this Essex 2, which means that particular record, which is this particular subscriber which was added, is visible here. John Kim. So he's one of the subscriber who's present in Essex, yeah. Sorry, Kent was added. So what I do is I just go into reports and look for the state called Kent. You see here Kent. So thus, by storing the record in MAGMAX Pro, you are able to get various information about that particular subscriber. You can keep track of subscribers. You are able to give better customer service to the subscribers, and MAGMAX Pro is a must software for publishers. In this video, we will understand why do we need to add subscriber records inside MAGMAX Pro.